Hello everyone, welcome to NextCart tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to migrate your store data from OpenCart to WooCommerce. The process is straightforward once broken down. On the screen, you'll notice two main sections: the source cart and the target cart. The source cart represents your current platform, which in this case is OpenCart, and the target cart is where your data will be transferred to WooCommerce. As you can see, both source cart and target setup require both two things: store URL and Kit Connect package. Okay, at first, let's begin with the source cart setup. I'll head to the OpenCart section. Now, I'm in OpenCart's dashboard. To get the exact URL of an OpenCart store, you suffer to the right of the top, point to this avatar with name, and click slightly to Your Store in Store section. It will automatically open another tab. This time you just copy this URL at the top like I'm doing right here. I will move back to the Next Cart tab and paste this link in here. Okay, I changed to the target source. This time I move to the WooCommerce tab. You can see I'm already in the WooCommerce dashboard. At the top left corner, you will see the demo store. Just click it, and the link we want will appear immediately. Copy it. Paste it in here. Next up, we'll need this Kit Connect file, and both this platform need Kit Connect. This is a special connection tool that helps to synchronize your data between the two platforms securely. If you haven't connected the Kit Connect folder with OpenCart, you'll see a 404 error when clicking to check the Kit Connect URL link. And with WooCommerce, it will also show a similar message, page not found, like this. Okay, let's come back to the Next Cart tab. You click right here to download it automatically. Once it's done, you will see the zip folder located at the top right corner. You click Show in Folder. All you have to do is click on Extract All to unzip the folder. You can see here, this is my Kit Connect folder, and inside it, there are two files like this. Now we need to upload this Kit Connect folder to FileZilla or cPanel to transfer files from your computer to the server, ensuring updates are applied live. You can download a free FileZilla from Google. As you can see, I've already got it installed, and this is what the interface looks like. There are two platform folders as shown on the screen. OpenCart and WooCommerce appear in here already. I will enter into the OpenCart folder first. Now, all you have to do is drag your unzipped Kit Connect folder, which contains two files inside, to the right panel of OpenCart, just like I'm doing here. Once the transfer is complete, FileZilla will let you know. You'll either see a File Transfer Successful notification at the bottom of the screen. At the same time, you also see the Key Connect file added in here. I will check the blue Kit Connect URL link once again. Yes, the message confirms that the connection has been successfully installed. Alright, the OpenCart is all done. I'll do the same process with WooCommerce. Because I've already installed the Kit Connect file, I will go back to FileZilla again. At this point, I open the WooCommerce folder and drag the files into the right panel like this. It will show a notification and the files will appear similar to what we had in OpenCart. I will go back and click this blue Kit Connect URL to check. Yes, the green success checkmark appears, just like the notification in OpenCart as well. Now I will back the Next Cart tab and click Next Step to move to the next step of my migration. Now you're on the configuration screen. Under Entity Selection, you'll choose the types of data you want to migrate. You can check individual boxes like products or orders, but since I want to transfer everything, I'm just going to click Select All. Since this is just a demo, you can't select the reviews and coupons. In the Additional Options section, I will pick 4 options as: clear data on your target store before the migration, strip HTML tags from category and product names, import descriptions, images to your target store, and migrate SEO URLs of categories, products, posts, and pages. For the Advanced Attributes Mapping section, I will set Order Tax Status to Tax Included. You can configure the tax status to whatever option suits your store. It doesn't need to match the one I've set here. Now, moving to Order Payment Status Mapping, Pending goes to Pending Payment. Processing stays the same. Shipped goes to Completed. Complete goes to Completed as well. Canceled stays the same. Denied goes to Canceled. Canceled reversal goes to Canceled. Failed stays the same. Refunded remain the same. Reversed goes to On Hold. Chargeback goes to Refunded. Expired goes to Failed. Processed is mapped to Completed. And finally, Voided goes to Failed. With that done, just click Next Step to move on to the final part of the migration. In this process, the migration will begin, and I'll speed up the video a little bit to show you how all the data is being transferred. And just like that, once the migration is complete, you'll see this notification. That covers all the steps for migrating your data from OpenCart to WooCommerce by using NextCart. Okay, now let's switch over to WooCommerce and check if the data has been migrated correctly. I will check products first. Yes, all products are here. Nothing is missing or messed up. The images and product quantities have all been fully imported here. The order is fine. These 3 orders are switched to Payment Pending. This one is failed, and this one is canceled. Everything is in place. Perfect. I hope this video has helped you easily migrate your data between these 2 platforms. If you're happy with the demo, you can go ahead and buy the Pro version. You click Purchase Now. Then choose the entity limit you want. Next, the Customer Password Plugin option. This one's completely free, and you can enable it if you'd like your customers to log into the new store using their existing passwords without resetting them. And right below, you'll see the VIP Service add-on with 3 options displayed on the screen. With these options, our technicians will customize and execute the migration process based on your specific requirements. After making the selection done, hit on Buy It Now. Besides, if you're having any issues or have questions, just submit a help desk ticket. In here, enter your frequently used email in Requester, the subject, and the content of your question. Then attach a file as a screenshot instead and hit Submit. Our technicians will receive the information, assist, and sort out any issues you might have. Feel free to open a ticket anytime. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.